Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Cynthia, also known as Cindy. And if you are my returning subscribers, welcome back. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make watermelon juice, also known as jus de pastèque en français. If you want to know how I made this watermelon juice, then keep on watching. What we're going to need is only watermelon and lemon. Do not add water because watermelon itself has a lot of water. Now I'm going to add watermelon and lemon in the blender and I'll be ready to blend.
I begin to
Il faut avoir l'habitude de manger beaucoup de fruits ou bien de prendre le jus de fruits. As we all know, fruits are the main source of vitamins. I know a lot of people don't like watermelon, but it's going to help you acquire vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A is important for your eyes and skin. Vitamin C is going to help you boost your immune system. That's why they call it booster juice. And mostly it's going to help you stay hydrated because of the water it contains. Here is our watermelon juice. Try to make it at home for your family during this summer season. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Yes guys, abonnez-vous massivement sur ma chaîne. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video coming soon. Stay tuned guys. Bye.